Hi, are you thinking of implementing a chatbot for your business? Do you have questions like, can chatbot help small business owners? Well, being a small business owner is about serving more and more customers with less money. One way you can be more efficient and serve more customers is by leveraging chatbots. The chatbots are becoming more and more popular every day. With so many brands using them, you might be wondering how small businesses can leverage this technology to scale their business, to grow their business, and without spending a lot of money and time. Chatbots can be one of the best ways to automate and reduce the manual work that small businesses are doing or used to do for handling their customers. Chatbot can be helpful for answering simple, repeated questions from customers like what is your office address, how much does a product cost, and etc. They can work day and night and not even take a break, or they won't even get bored. Chatbots are taking away mundane tasks of responding to simple questions. So small businesses can really focus on what really matters, which is growing their businesses. Small businesses can think of deploying chatbots in mainly three areas, which is sales, marketing, and operations. Sales and marketing is basically enabling your bot to work like a salesman and answer any sales related questions. So those are generally questions like which your customers might ask, before purchasing your product or services. So think of a scenario where a customer lands on your website and she wants to purchase uh, something like something from your online store. Let's say she has a question and it is late in the night and there is no customer service. So since she is not sure about purchasing the product, she might just left the store without actually purchasing the product, and she might never even come back. So now, had there been a chatbot on your website, on your online store, which can answer the question she has, then she will definitely purchase. She would be much more confident in making that purchase, and you would have a new customer without actually interacting or engaging with that customer. So this is not a science fiction anymore. It is a reality. It is becoming true, and more businesses are now using chatbots for increasing their sales and increasing their business. And they are just adding the chatbot on their website and other channels like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and other channels. Another problem that small businesses face is that when their employees leave, most of the domain knowledge is gone, okay, about their business. And when your business hire a new employee, they have to retrain the employee all over again, and it costs a lot of money, time, and all. Chatbot can solve that problem because once it is trained, it is with you forever, and the knowledge is with you, and it is never lost. If you are a small business owner and trying to explore ways in which chatbot can help your business, then please visit our website AxleWebTech.com and book a free consultation with us. Links are in the description. Just click the link in the description below and book a free consultation with me. And in case you are interested in more chatbot related videos, then please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.